If you ever been through any kind of pain, any kind of struggle, put one hand in the air right now. If you ever had to overcome any kind of obstacle, you here tonight. So that means you made it through from the valley. Let's make it free. I'm looking in the mirror at this woman down the line. She's eternally tired and knows was not one don't wanna be this woman, no second time home. Cause I'm waking up screaming, don't know the believe that I'm gonna be alright. Cause I'm always looking for you now. Said I don't wanna hurt my pillow late at night no more. Tossing and turning, thinking about burning down this world. Sometimes I can't sleep at night. This spirit just feels right. Sometimes I just wonder almost as I go back. Sometimes I can't sleep at night. This spirit just feels right. Sometimes I just wonder almost as I go back. You know what? I feel like I want to do something special with y'all tonight. I need everybody out there to take your cell phones out and put your lights on, right? Make it rain, oh my ladies, make it rain, 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 rain. I'm taking out this time
to what?
to give you a piece of my mind. Yeah, yeah.
One question.
Who do you think you are? Well, maybe one day you'll be a star. Hey, hey. Oh, my ladies, make it rain. My ladies, make it rain. Oh, my ladies, make it rain. Rain, rain, rain.